dug out quite well as that, 2.5 metres by 800 wide by 800 deep.
Jamie's
so.
coughing.
You'll be in that ground before me.
They're arguing with Benny in it. Good morning YouTube. Start of another week. Another short week of course after the bank holiday. I'm just at this job here at Cutler Heights. Basically there's about 36 metres of 2 metre V-mesh to go along here. This is going to come down. Bit of a mess this site, but pulling this old sheds down. Even more interestingly, obviously I had the guy's name, Nigel, didn't realise who it was. I pulls up here. I says, do I know you? He went, yeah, I think I know you. Anyway, it turns out he's like stepdad to some girls that I've known for years and years. And I've seen him, he used to go, he says, well, how do I know you? I said, did you used to go in 7 Stars pub? Our local pub. He went, yeah, I did. I said, and as soon as I said it, I realised who he was. Nice fella. Anyway, my mate used to work for him as well. They used to deliver eggs. That's what they did. All these are all battery and eggs in them. Pulling it down now. He's no longer doing it. It's salt business and everything. So I don't know what they're going to do. Obviously they'll develop it or something. So yeah, it's a small world, isn't it? I didn't realise that's where they were actually. Like I say, my mate used to work for them for a while. You'll know what is DD, obviously, if you're watching. So yeah, I'll get this one quoted up. It was 36 metres, I think I said, of 2 metre V-mesh. So I'll see you later. Yeah, good morning. We're just going to load up. We've got to dig a few trenches and a few holes today for our automated gate we're doing in summer holidays. We've got that banging one, so we're just getting it prepared now in these half-term holidays, end of May. So when we come back in a month or two, be nicely all set and just ready to drill down. So we'll have to get it all spot on today, dug out, concreted, and check the levels and everything. Then we'll have to dig trenches where Matt's put ducting in for Matt to get his cables in. Yeah, so we're just at Bowling Park Primary. Street sign there. We've got a few other people in. We're just going to dig us big trench here for a sliding gate. The sliding gate goes here. There's a receiver one there, and then we've got a digger's trench in for Matt, and it's going to go in there, I believe, somewhere. So we'll dig it round there like that. But the Airedale gates to be fair, aren't they? We've got to do a trench across there. Should go like that. Just a little update. It's dug out quite well as that, 2.5 metres by 800 wide by 800 deep.
Jamie's coughing.
You'll be in that ground before me.
They're arguing with Benny in it. Maggie's just got back. He's already took a full load. We've got nearly a load on there, but we'll just barrier this off for now. We're going to trench across here, and then we've got another one to dig there. But that ain't as big, the receiver one. We've got a couple of cube of concrete, C40 tomorrow coming. We've got that one dug out. We've got a little bit to get out there, let us know. Standard that. Got her halfway up there now. 600 dudes, dug well as that. Dug bigger as it. Yeah, we're getting there. I'm just going to move this to C for him. Well, that's it. We're nearly there. Got a little bit to do now, but tarmac's coming away. Whenever you turn, it's a nightmare. Just got this stretch to do here. That's third load already. Taking some doing, but yeah. Like I get a ton of tarmac I think in the morning. I'm just going to use bags but I'd like to get some proper stuff. Oh yeah, I'll get you one when we finish. Trenching done. We're just going to get electrics in now. Concrete wagon coming tomorrow, few cube coming. Just get electrics in for now. Yeah, obviously it goes into there. And then we'll have to put panels back on here, gates on. Got there, full day with that. We're just sticking these gates on now behind us back on. We'll see you tomorrow for concreting. Crikey, just got to a job here, bloody weather. Just make sure we get this concreting done today. Set up and then we'll probably get tarmac tomorrow now I think with weather being as it is. I better give him a ring, see where he is. If we don't want concrete turning up early and we can't even get in. Concrete's here anyway. Not on concrete. That'll do mate, it's plenty here. Looking well. With this rain keeping off, but yeah, we're just going to put a bit in here, then we'll have to cut this out tomorrow. So yeah, that's done anyway, thank God. Yeah, that's in. Nice, look, the gates are back on so they can lock tonight. We're going to tarmac that tomorrow, so what we've done is we've concreted that bit there so it gets solid. This is obviously as wet traffic is, but the big, as you can see that moving there, look, the big wagon. And then obviously that's levelled off of that. We put us access in there, and then tomorrow I've got a ton and a half of tarmac. Probably won't use a ton and a half, but there you go. And we'll get all that tarmac. That will do us for today. Lads have gone to do a repair, so that's that. Oh, think we need to shove that on, Cal? Timber. Right, yeah, so anyway, I'll get off for now and I shall see you later.
It's nice, isn't it? I'm going to have to come in probably more often because we've had a productive one. Jacob's been washing his face in metal swarf or something.
A monkey kid is an happy kid.
You're not a kid?
Yeah, good point actually.
We've done a single leaf and we're just on with some bolt down double leaf now, aren't we?
Single like me, innit?
Ready to mingle.
Ready to mingle. Get closer.
Well, we're nearly done to be fair. We've been cooking on gas. You've already cut us mesh up, haven't you, for next leaf, which is there, ready to go together. Everything's drilled around Jacob. Just bolt down. One more to go, then it's home time.
Good morning, Friday already. Sun's out, we've been it down earlier, but we're just back on this job. We're just waiting to turn up with tarmac. So we're just going to tarmac all this now. We've taken all that because wagon destroyed it. We've taken his forms off. That's setting already. That's a little beauty. And then we're just going to get his tarmac round here where his forms have been. That took some under there. It's a bit hollow there, Carl, under your foot there. That's sound though, that. I think it helps with that rounded thing, don't you?
I don't think the rounded bit did all.
Right, it has.
It was too wet.
No, I can tell it has. Yeah, we probably should have left it maybe half an hour.
Yeah.
Might just need, do we need that off a bit?
That's underground.
Go over it, but
Is it though?
I'll run circular across it.
What, about ripsaw, what that do it? I think it was right putting this concrete in like, don't you?
Yeah.
Made a good base on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. He'll get tarmacked over. This is its main bit.
Yeah, it's all solid.
I mean that's solid, isn't it? It's that bit now where wagon went over, but it is solid, isn't it? So yeah, just got back with tarmac now. We'll start this way and make his way out, I think. Jamie's getting his eyes on for 1 foot. Try and keep it covered up. Yeah. Just got first coating now. Let's lay down and whack it. I'm just going to finish it off now. Plenty left under there. I've just realised I didn't get a finished video of that site we were at with tarmacking. I don't know why, because site manager came and I was chatting to him and lads were getting off to get tarmac that were left off at van before it stuck to the back at van. Carl's just nipped on for his jet wash back at yard now. I've just realised I didn't get an end video of it, so I was chatting to him at end. He's on about putting another entrance in for pedestrians now, so we're having a chat with him about best options there. But anyway, so yeah, I forgot to get that one, but we're back there anyway in well, probably a month or so now, when we get a big sliding gating and fencing and stuff that we're doing. So yeah, it's Friday afternoon now. Guys have just gone to do a little repair near us in Rawdon. Took the panels, especially ordered them in for this repair. Luckily I got a deposit. Lads have gone up there. Job's been done. Like, eh? What? They just sent me a picture. It's already been done. So what a waste of time that is. Luckily, like I say, it's only up the road from us, but even so, you know, it's a waste of time. But anyway, there you go. So I'm just going to get on with a bit of admin now, glamorous stuff behind the scenes. So I shall call it a day here. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.